So one of the questions that I get asked all the time is how long does it actually take to learn how to tattoo? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to cover in this video. When it comes to timescales on learning anything new, it's almost impossible to give you an exact time answer. However, what I can do and give you is a really good average. For those of you that don't know who I am, I'm Ben Fisher, the owner of Tattoo Method Pro and the artist right here at Inkrush. I've made it my personal goal to making learning how to tattoo accessible to anybody wanting to learn. I do this via an online tattoo course, and now we've had enough people go through the course, I've worked out a rough average of how long it takes someone to go from never holding a machine to being able to do great tattoos. Don't get me wrong, I have a 30-day course that's totally free that learns you the basics of tattooing, but that's not the topic I want to talk about. At the end of the first 30 days, yes, you would be able to do a tattoo. I refer to this level the same as learning to swim. When we first jump into the pool and we can swim without assistance, but I'm sure that you can all agree that's not the level that we want to be at. Hey, just quickly, in the description there's a link to my new book, Learn How to Tattoo. It covers all the lessons in the first 30 days, plus my journey through the tattoo industry, showing the mistakes so that you can avoid them. Also, I'll add a link to the new clothing brand. Make sure that you grab yours and be proud to be part of this next generation of tattooists. That's all, guys. Enjoy the video and make sure that you're subscribed and have that little bell press so that you're notified when we upload. We've got a shitload of stuff coming to the channel very soon. Cheers. Now, at any one time, we have usually around 40,000 people on the free 30-day course. I'll bob links in the description for anyone that wants to check that out. Then my full course, which is just over 6 months of daily lessons. However, here's what we've found. Not many people actually complete the course within 6 months. Now, if you're anything like most people learning how to tattoo, then you probably have a full-time job and a family to support. We all want to learn how to tattoo as quickly as possible, but life doesn't just stop so that we can dedicate all this time to it every single day, does it? So I want to keep this video as accurate and also as realistic as possible. I'll admit that we've had a small handful of people complete the course with amazing results and success in just over the 6 months. We've also had a handful of people take 2 years plus. Let's be honest, if you're working full time, then spending time with your partner whenever you can, then trying to entertain the kids if you have them. When do we actually find time to learn how to tattoo? We have to move things around, but we have noticed an average time frame for people completing the full course, and to be honest, it's around the time that we expected when I first designed the course. Let me quickly show you a few examples from students that have gone from little to no experience to being able to do amazing tattoos in such a short space of time. Literally, some of these pieces look like they've been done by people that are veterans in the industry. Line work on point, shading, buttery smooth, different styles, fully understanding how to create different textures with different needles and techniques. Well, the average time frame for people to complete the Tattoo Method Pro course and get results like the ones that I've just shown you, from little to no experience at all, and while working and supporting a family in most of the cases, it's usually, wait for it, 1 year exactly. It takes on average 1 year for someone to complete my course. So if you're considering learning how to tattoo, maybe you think it's impossible because of personal commitments. Maybe you've been turned down countless times for an apprenticeship. Maybe you sat thinking, I'm too old to start something new. Listen, we've had people on the course that wear slippers more than they wear shoes. Stop making excuses and holding yourself back, because if tattooing is something that you really want to do and aren't doing it, then I can almost guarantee it's because you're telling yourself that you can or making up these daft excuses. Well, thank you for listening, and as always, I'll see you at the next one. Cheers.